We've completed the left side of our triangular graduation. Now we're going to go in and complete the right side. I've set up my diagonal to mirror the perimeter, and I'm just going to go in exactly the same thing. This time my fingertips are pointing downward, my second knuckle's up higher. I'm using the wide teeth of the comb. And remember, by the time we're behind the ear, our fingertips need to be making contact with the neck. Pressing that hair. So comb down. Press that hair. We're working nice clean sections and a consistent diagonal. That means that this diagonal needs to stay the same as we work up, and this diagonal represents the same diagonal as the